Do you know what are the top 10 easy ways to make extra money at home? If no, then this video is for you. So before starting the video, please like this video, do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. Making some extra side hustle cash doesn't actually have to be that complicated. Could you make an extra $200 per month? How about an extra $1,000 per month? How would that change your life? To most, it would make a monumental difference. But what if we were talking thousands more per month or even tens of thousands more? How would that alter the trajectory of your life? Clearly, you can make money on the internet. You just have to decide how much of your time it's worth. While we all have some extra time, it often doesn't feel like it. But it also doesn't take too much effort to make some extra dough on the side. We're not talking about millions upon millions here. We're mostly talking about doing small, bite-sized projects to generate some fast cash. And depending on your skill set, you could easily make a few $100s or even a few extra thousand per month. So we have compiled for you the list of top 10 easy ways that will help you to make extra money at home. 10. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an advertising model in which a company compensates third-party publishers to generate traffic or leads to the company's products and services. The third-party publishers are affiliates, and the commission fee incentivizes them to find ways to promote the company. Affiliate marketing presents a very low-friction entry into selling products online. While you do need some type of audience to sell these products or services to, you could make a significant amount of money from home while doing it. Some products or services have very high earnings per click. That means, if you play your cards right, you could easily make a large profit on conversions by driving traffic to specific offers as long as you target the right interests. You can find affiliate marketing offers on sites like ClickBank, CJ.com and Rakuten Linkshare, amongst many others. Search for the right offer and ensure that you present it to the right audience and don't spam people about it. Do your marketing ethically. 9. Social media management. In addition to interacting with friends and strangers, social networking platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat can be used to make money. Companies and brands pay social media strategists to further boost the popularity of their products. Social media management is a great way to generate an income from home. Considering the expansion of social media, businesses are clamoring to find their way in front of prospects. However, most businesses haven't got a clue about how they can increase their exposure. That's where you come in. Building a social media management business might take some effort and time, but it's well worth it. You could charge a sizable monthly fee for each business to help manage their social media, allowing you to earn a full-time income doing this gig. Liz Benny, the founder of Jinga Social, not only built one of the largest and most well-known social media management businesses out there, but also created multiple seven-figure webinars teaching people, you guessed it, how to launch your own social media management company. 8. Build a side hustle business. There are plenty of ideas for lucrative side hustle businesses that you could easily start from the comfort of your own home. While starting them is easy, actually putting in the work to market and grow those businesses is a bit more challenging. The hard part is seeing them through. While you could launch a regular business selling someone else's products, you could also invent your own product. While businesses based on inventions might seem more complex to create, they do present attractive investment opportunities as depicted on popular shows like Shark Tank. 7. Start a blog. Blogs are quite possibly one of the best ways to earn a passive income, even while traveling the world. While starting a blog might be simple, you will need to put in the work and the effort in order to reap the benefits. Plant the seeds now to enjoy the harvest later. However, once that blog gets going, generating an income and scaling out your business is straightforward. Simply produce more content and line up more offers. As your blog grows in popularity, you'll also be able to attract top talent willing to write for you simply in exchange for one very powerful link back to their own websites. 6. Rent out your home. Another way you can make money at home is to actually rent out your home. Airbnb has carved a sizable industry out of vacation rentals. While the market did exist prior to Airbnb's arrival, it's certainly grown by leaps and bounds since its arrival on the scene. In 2017, Airbnb purchased luxury vacation rental provider, Luxury Retreats. And other consolidations in the marketplace have happened with leading sites like Invited Homes' acquisition of PPG Rentals and Seasoned Dreams platforms. And Expedia's $3.9 billion acquisition of another vacation rental giant, HomeAway. The market is booming and the time is ripe for entry, no matter how big or small your home or condo might be. 5. Sell services on Fiverr. Fiverr has grown significantly since its inception. Today, it's a vast marketplace where you can sell just about any service under the sun. This is great if you're looking to make money online as a digital nomad or even while sitting at home on your laptop while in your pajamas. What, specifically, can you sell on Fiverr? Anything from graphics and design services, to digital marketing, writing and translation services, video and animation services, music and audio, programming and application development, business services and lifestyle services that includes anything from celebrity impressions to gaming. 4. Online tutoring. If you are an expert in a particular subject, you can earn by tutoring people online. Online tutoring provides a means to connect online with students of all ages, across the country to provide homework help and tutoring in the subjects for which you have demonstrated expertise. Websites like Schooly, TutorMe and Tutor.com provide resources for entering into the online tutoring space. While you don't need to use a platform like these, they provide a lower friction entry point into the market. You could also search for online tutoring gigs on a variety of other sites like Upwork, Freelancer and many more. What types of things can you tutor online? You could easily tutor a subject like math or science, while also teaching a language if you're bilingual. You could also tutor musical instruments like the guitar or piano, along with a slew of other subject matters. 3. Trade cryptocurrency. As the digital world evolves, so does our currency. What seemed like a novelty yesterday will ultimately become the preferred medium for money. While cryptocurrency is still relatively new, it will ultimately become the standard. Bitcoin and Ethereum might be the primary cryptocurrency platforms today, but the US dollar will eventually become the digital dollar by leveraging the blockchain. You can take advantage of the current boom in cryptocurrency by trading it through platforms like eToro and Kraken, amongst many others. 2. Sell stuff on eBay or Craigslist. A large subset of our society is earning a full-time income by selling items on Craigslist and eBay. You can do this by selling your own items, or you can help sell items for other people and take a small commission. Selling on eBay offers more friction than Craigslist and you'll need to establish solid reviews before you can begin to move high-ticket items. However, eBay does provide resources for sellers to help you get acclimated to selling on the platform. Take the time to do your due diligence and research the platform. If you have some solid online marketing skills, you'll find this much easier than if you're a complete newbie to the world of digital marketing. 1. Become a virtual assistant. One simple way to make money from home is to help others complete tasks as a virtual assistant. Doing all the corporate stuff from one's home is what a virtual assistant, VA, does. Virtual assistants basically work remotely with their clients and manage the aspects of their business that they are too busy to handle themselves. If you're highly organized and can properly manage your time, then becoming a virtual assistant presents a low-friction entry point into the digital services industry. You can easily perform these functions as a remote worker no matter where you live. Finding work as a virtual assistant can be easily done through sites like Upwork, Indeed.com and Remote.co. Search the existing posted jobs and create bids. Becoming a virtual assistant may require some degree of training or briefing, depending on your qualifications. You'll need effective communication skills and fluency in English and popular web and business software applications. So that's it for today's video. What are your thoughts on our video? Please let us know in comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, Be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification before you go. Thank you so much for watching.